Hey everybody, this is April and I have been tagged by Miss Shay Love. This is my first tag and I just thank you, girl. But anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera around so I can show you all pretty much, how my setup is. Normally there's a sheet draped from this door to this door. And that's my backdrop. That's what I've been using as my backdrop. But on some of my videos, I'm sure you guys can see that big shampoo bottle right there. I am a groomer, so that's why that's always there. And that's my nozzle that I spray the dogs with. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom. It goes from that bedroom to this bedroom. So I use this side normally to groom my dogs. This is all my grooming tools in here, and you may not can see, but underneath there my dryers and shears and sprays and everything I need for that. Over here, this is where I do my videos and have my makeup and stuff, and I normally keep my makeup in these two boxes right here. And I just bought this container for my brushes and different little things like that. And haven't used a tripod yet, so I normally set my camera up on this with whatever, whatever I can use to prop it up. But I will be getting a tripod. Shay, thanks for that too. Normally CJ is over here. This is his room, but it's kind of junky. But anyway, this is it. This is a little stool I sit on. So this is my behind the scenes tag. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.